Magnifi is excited to announce the launch of the connectivity tools for the Reddy instrument and the Magnifi software. This new set of tools aims at making collaboration easier during inspections. In this video, we will have a look at the Zoom integration to allow you to share your screen with a colleague and to grant them control of your instrument. So if you're in need of troubleshooting, if you have issues, if you aren't sure about the interpretation of some signals while you're busy doing work and you need quick assistance, this new tool is the ideal thing to use. The context for this video is as follows. I'll pretend that I don't know anything about eddy current arrays. And here I have my Reddy, an iFlex Pro, and this plate here. And basically, I will ask the assistance of one of my colleagues, Mathieu, so that I may inspect this plate and do something, because I don't feel confident doing it. All right. So from the connectivity tab, you can see that the second menu is the Zoom one. So this allows you to begin a Zoom session. So basically, the Reddy will create its own meeting with its own account. So the way this connectivity tools works is that there's no thing of username, password, etc. All you need to do is begin a session, and the Reddy will take care of everything for you. So the Reddy has its own Zoom account, and everything is basically handled by the system. So I've pressed the begin session button, and it's basically started a meeting. You'll see that the green border around the screen shows me that everything is working fine and that I'm currently in a meeting. So the Reddy is in its own meeting, and basically it's currently alone, so nothing is happening. But what I want to do is to share my screen with a colleague so that they may help me with my inspection. And so I'll press the invite button, which will open a window. And in this window, we can see two things. On the left, there's a QR code, which enables me to log into that meeting with my mobile phone. So I'll start by doing this. The reason you do this is that this is what's going to allow you to speak and hear the person that will join you in the meeting. It will also allow me to share my camera so that I may show whatever I'm doing to the people in the meeting. So on the right-hand side, I can invite someone so that they may see my screen and take control of my Reddy instrument. So I've already input Mathieu's email there. So I will simply hit send. And what's going to happen is that he'll receive an email enabling him to join the meeting, see my screen, and then take control. So basically, Mathieu is joining a meeting. So I'm currently connected with my mobile, and in a few moments, Mathieu will join us and help me with what I'm trying to achieve here.
Hello, Jonathan.
Hello, Mathieu.
Hi there.
Hey, thanks for joining the call. Can you hear me?
Yes, very well.
Excellent. Can you see my camera?
Yes, I can see you and I can see your screen.
All right, excellent. Let me just turn things around. So basically, Mathieu, thanks for joining the call. I'm in a bit of trouble because I need to scan this stainless steel plate that you see right here with this iFlex Pro and the Reddy. And I don't really know what to do, so I assume that you could help me.
All right, no problem. So first thing I'll do, I will request control of your Reddy through Zoom. So you should see a notification pop up.
Yes, I do. I'll press approve. Now I see that you've taken, you're currently in remote control mode, so you've got control of my instrument.
Exactly. So what I'll do, I will go in the front stage of Magnifi. And from here, so I'll be able to control the nulling and the acquisition and the calibration of your probe. So what I'll ask you to do is to put your probe on the left side of the plate where it's clean and just put a good contact, an even contact on the coil array. So from this position, I'm able to null the probe and I will start the acquisition. All you'll have to do is move from left to right over the whole plate. So you can go ahead.
Perfect. All right.
Very good. So I will stop the acquisition, zoom a little bit on the indications. So what I see here is that your signal is really out of cal, so I will just rotate the signal from the impedance plane view. Something like that. So right away you can see that you've got 4 indications at different actual and
it will match the 4 round bottom holes that I can see here.
Yeah.
Although I see now that I was not moving very straight.
Yeah, that was the one thing you had to do, but that's okay. So I'll that's it. So from there I think you're able to save your data and do the rest.
Awesome. Yeah, absolutely. Now this solved my issue, Mathieu. So thank you very much. Now I think I should be good to go from now. So what I could do is simply if I move back to the backstage. Now that I've had the assistance, thank you very much. I can go back to the connectivity tab, and I can basically end the session by pressing this button here. So thank you, Mathieu, and I'll speak to you soon.
Yeah, see you later.
All right. So by pressing end session, basically I'm closing this meeting. So that was the Zoom integration. So again, as you can see, if you're having problems on site, if you're in need of assistance, if you're not sure about something, or if you want to show something to your boss, to an SME or to a colleague, it's very easy to do so using this simple tool.